We can't replicate Jesus' ministry if we don't replicate his prayer life and his consecration life. Replicate means a close or exact copy. We can't expect to have same results that Jesus had when he was doing ministry if we're not living the same lifestyle that he lived. He lived a prayerful life. We should have a prayer life as well. And he had a consecration life. So consecration means setting apart. Jesus sets himself apart to do the will of the Father, sets himself apart from the world so he can seek the Father, to know the will of the Father, to do what the Father has commanded him to do. And this is the exact thing that we should also do as a follower of Jesus. Replicate his lifestyle, his prayer life, and his consecration life